Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the market of the Euro US dollar for October the 17th, and we're going to be looking at how price delivered on this day and how we could have potentially traded it. So the start of this week is Sunday, Sunday, 10:15. So what do we see on Monday? We see on Monday that price rallied. Price offered bullish prices, and it rallied on Monday, and it came near to the monthly open, but it didn't quite go up there until Tuesday. Before on Tuesday, um, going through the monthly open and creating support the days afterward. So on this day I was bearish because it was getting to the end of the month, and I was assuming that price was going to be bearish because like it was near the monthly open, and when price is near the monthly open, that's what we normally see sometimes because we assume that the bearish move has the manipulation upward has already been done earlier the month. So that was my assumption, and I ended up trading this Judas swing, and that didn't work out. But I'm going to be looking at what happened today and how this could have been corrected. So if we look at Monday's price delivery, there's an order block that was formed right at this time at 9 o'clock, 9:30, and it is this move right here. We see price being offered bearish before taking out sell side and moving up higher. So an order block, what essentially is a change in state of delivery. So we see that price was being offered lower, and then the next candle comes, takes out sell side, and rallies shortly afterward. So let's just draw this out. This will be the start of the order block. This will be the start of the order block, because price is leaving these two candles, these two bearish candles. The moment it leaves this opening price, this right here becomes a bullish order block. And what do we see it do? Price leaves it, it comes back into it, hammers it twice before rallying. But the thing that makes this a high probability is because it took out liquidity. There's sell side right here. Sell side being taken out right before this whole formation forms, and before price rallies and continues higher. So moving on to Tuesday though, what do we see happen on Tuesday? We see bearish prices being offered, going into this order block, digging into it before doing what? Going higher. So if you were to trade this would have been a profitable trade. Put your stops below this low, and your take profit, you could do 1 to 3. Oh wait, sorry, this is at the wrong price. Boom, yeah. If you did 1 to 3, this would have been 1 to 3. A very good trade. But we also see another, what I want to go over with is that there's another order block that forms on Tuesday, and it's right here. It's right here. Price was offered, bearish prices was offered. It took out sell side, rallied, came back into the order block, and rallied again. And it doesn't just do that once, it does it twice. Comes back into it, again, rallies. So we see price taking out sell side before making its actual run. This was just a trick out, stop out sellers, people who are selling. They were getting tricked into selling at this move. But really the actual move was going to be a bullish move. What do we also see? We also see an imbalance in the market. So we see price playing around there before making its real move. So if we traded that today, if we traded this at this opening, when price when price comes back into it, obviously, you would have put your stops below this low. Below this low. You could have put your stops below this low, and then targeted hopefully 1 to 3, and that would have been a profitable trade. 1 to 3. You would have just had to wait through this before being in profit. But let's see what it does throughout the week, where it closes. Don't mind the. Okay, so we ended up closing up above the monthly open, so that would mean price would be very bullish going into next week, October 22 to October 29th, the last 7 days of this month. So price would be bearish. Bullish from that point on. If we actually go forward a little bit more, price does do that, just like I anticipated, because this now has become a discount. This monthly open has now been a discount for institutions to buy in. And what do we see? Price comes into it and rallies. This now is a discount for smart money. But yeah, this is the market review for October the 17th. I forgot to mention that this was actually Newsday. There was some Euro US dollar CPI news. But yeah, that's what happened though. Thank you for watching. Be safe.